Assalamu alaikum dear students, class 5th BHS Supernagama. Ushpara subject EVS using some topic show a shelter so high. Ushpara remaining part was a the Changpa, the Atu Samkhayum Namgales. Umagakur. When you are most welcome in our home, said Namgyal as he led me to the big cone-shaped tent. Vamos kor me zabardast welcome. Namgyal yus nos em kor emis allow panis tentas mas yus cone-shaped os. They call their tent ribo. Amos panis tentas mana ribo. Yak here is woven to make strips which are stitched together. So yak here chasan kaish put jungli yak chasan here. Ye chu wana ach banaw strip to chum panway stitch karan. These are strong and warm and protect them from icy strong winds. Umay pala use kara chasa variya garam be chasan variya mazboot icy strong winds chasan chumanish bacha sardinish. I saw that the strips were tightly tied with 9 sticks. Basa which is strips banawa but asal put dari put tie kara ganda with 9 sticks. The ground is dug about 2 feet deep, which means put kara dob. So the tent is then put up around this. But I saw tent on the higher part of the ground. As we stepped in that tent, I realized that I could stand up straight. Straight. It was not like my tent. It was the main tent. I also saw that the rebo was as big as a room of my flat in Mumbai. Rebos, using tentos, just board, Yuta Palatos Kate, Mombimas. It was held up by 2 wooden poles in the middle. Office Masbag Zilegit, the Hachu pole. There was an opening to let out the smoke from the chula. Athos Mothumus excited Dorish Monoskosher poet excited Yal Akrasa, Takuzano the chula zala and make you do nere apuri. Namgyal, they were told that the design of this tent is more than 1,000 years old. The username tent to design was Sasberi prone. The tent protected the Changpas from extreme cold. Using a tent to Changpas the bacha over here, Sardinish. How cold must it be? Because at Thand Asia, in winters the temperature drops many degrees below zero. Because Sardi Chasa, Sardian Sardian Mosum Chavata, winter Chasa, Ache temperature Gasan down Kota, 0 degree bun. The winds blow at 70 kilometers per hour. Wind Kashi below Gasa, 7 kilometer per hour. Imagine if you were on a bus which was going at this speed. You can panjay khayal agar to is bus mas safar kara pat at speed mas paka. How far from your house would you reach in 1 hour? How far from your house would you reach in 1 hour? So, this time must wait to Panan gar near the rebo there was a place to keep sheep and goats. The using of the rebos, it was a bag jay or tentas nish bag jay banamuts, Yajanum Kais Tower, Panan sheep the beum, goats. Changpas call this lekha. Amoisat Kavana, lekha. The walls of a lekha are made with stones. Each family puts a special mark on their own animal. Pratka family os, Pratka gar os, at petkara pan mark, panen janvar khater. The women and young girls come out and take the animals out of the lekha. Pan janvar nishan tha, padin zanyas yes, beam lucket bach korias asa, which panan janvar ganzrawat kadaj. Lekha must never. They count them again every day when they bring them back in the evening. Motion Prado Ganzra woman, the shaman bang or under shaman, at Lekhasman Shera. For the Changpas, their animals are a very important part of their life. Yum zan Changpas is yum zan animal is zindagi hund khas hes ko ihns daulat ٲس یِہے. Is any animal part of your life? Kya تہنٛز zindagi hund cha part kانٛہہ animal? For example, as a pet cha or as a helper cha in farming. اگر أسۍ pet أسۍ چھِ بناوان cat چھِ أسۍ بناوان dog چھِ بناوان cat چھِ بناوان helper farming چھِ أسۍ آسان مِثال ox چھِ آسان buffaloes چھِ آسان. List 5 ways in which different animals are a part of your life. But find out, you read that in Changthang the temperature drops below 0 degrees Celsius. Changthangas must gasan temperature 0 degree khot kam. Look at the newspaper on TV to find cities in India or abroad where the temperature drops below 0 degree Celsius. तो वुच सो रेडियोस पे बूझ या टीवीएस पे बूझ खबर पत वुच सो इंडिया मस कत जाय छ गसान 0 degree बोन टेम्परेचर या इंडिया नेबर बकन कुन मुल्कन मस. In which months do you expect to see this? कमन मंथन मस छ गसान अक्सर छ गसान ये नवंबर दिसंबर जनवरी फरवरी मस. पत छ गसान towards Srinagar. I spent a few days with the Changpas, but sadly it was time to move on. The मैं कहा Changpas से time थोड़ा मगर मायूसी सान पे पत नेरुन अति. My return journey would take me away from this special part of the world. Using mean return journey is it would take me away from this special part of the world towards towns which look like a totally different world. Basa goes with one town totally different is. This time I took a different route from Leh. Basa draws Leh Pukinis big route. I was going towards Srinagar via Kargil. Basa draws Srinagar Kapurkin Kargil kin. I saw many more amazing buildings and different houses. At this which me bad cause building the bay Makan. I stayed in Srinagar for a few days. Srinagar. I was amazed by the houses there. They took my heart away. Some houses are on the mountains, while some are on the water. Water. I took many pictures of these. Photo te. See my photo album. The world famous Pashmina. Dunyok mashhur Pashmin. It is believed that a Pashmina shawl is as warm as 6 sweaters. The bias amut wishna Pashmina shawl agar lago is, wala is, yes, agar shab banyan is lago, tuta garam chi kuni akui shawl asa. It is very thin yet very warm. It is zavil asa, magar variya garam. The goats from which the soft Pashmina wool is collected are found in very high altitudes of 5,000 meters. Human goatan is soft Pashmina wool hasil kara. Third altitude per takriban 5,000 meter third. In winter, the temperature here drops below 0 degrees Celsius, minus 40 degrees. In winter, the temperature is minus 40 degrees Celsius. A coat of warm hair grows on the goat's body. Using goat's body, warm hair body pad, which protects it from the extreme cold. The goats shed some of their hair fur in summer. But summer mosum chuvata goats fur, old fur visit. Their hair is so fine that 6 of these would be as thick as one hair of yours. But you touch hair as a fine. Wall, which is wall, banashtita muti doesn't soon off muswal asa. The fine hair cannot be woven on machines, and so weavers of Kashmir make these shawls by hand. The fine hair machine pet is the Balki Kashmir's weaver chasa banaun will chasa, Tum shawl banawa at sea. This is a long and difficult process. After almost 250 hours of weaving, one plain Pashmina shawl is made. Go plain Pashmina shawl agar ganta. Imagine how long it would take to make a shawl with embroidery. Wasn't a banawus shawl as an embroidery as tat kota time like.